Hey, what's up? My name is Andrew and welcome to my channel, and welcome to this very interesting video where I'm going to show you and demonstrate you live how I use average true range indicator to set up my stop loss levels. In a previous video I was explaining you what average true range indicator is and how to use it. But now I'm actually going to show you how to apply it and I'm going to show you live trades, live results. So guys, this video is going to be short but amazing, and I hope it's gonna benefit those who are still wondering how to set your stop loss levels accordingly. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades open. Okay, so I have 6 open trades. My current profit and loss for these 6 trades is around 700 euro, okay? Because for example, the Dow Jones I expect to go up a lot higher. So this is my current balance. So let's take a look at maybe one of my most profitable trades for today. As I always tell you guys, per quality over quantity, it's always best to place a few trades a day, but good ones, okay? So in this instance, we're gonna check that USD JPY. So let's take a look at USD JPY, which is generating me already a little bit more than 300 euro for this one single trade, which I placed at 8 past 12, so a little bit more than 2 hours ago. One single trade, 300 euro profit, and it's still running, okay? As you can see, the trade is still running, but I want to show you guys how I use that average range indicator in order to set my stop loss. So as you can see, I placed my trade, 8 past 12, this was the open price, and as you can see right here, this is my stop loss level at 110.572. So some people are asking me what are the best, stop loss levels, when you're trading. Well, if you are a more experienced trader, then you can set your stop loss levels simply by looking at the next strong support levels or next strong resistance levels. And that's the way that's how you can set your stop loss accordingly. So if I place my trade, for example, from here, then I know that, if I place buy trade here, then I know that my stop loss should be the next support, which would be around this area. But there is a question of how to calculate it, how to do it. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So as I'm always telling, my subscribers, don't overcomplicate your trading. So let's go to the what is it? USD JPY. USD JPY. I always use tradingview.com charts, these charts right here, because it has all of the indicators I need. But you can also use, the charting solution provided by the broker, which in my case is this broker right here, which is Libertex. So let me show you how I set the stop loss. So I placed my trade here, here at this level right here. So it was a buy trade, okay? It was buy trade, and but the way is this that as you can see, my stop loss level is this level right here, okay? So let's go back here. So 5 past 12. So I placed the trade at 8 past 12, but just approximate. It's gonna be approximate value anyway. So here we go. So 0248, let's say, okay. So take a look at your ATR indicator at that time when you want to place a trade. Take into consideration what is the value of the ATR indicator on that particular candle. So it's 0248 around this area. So let's take out the calculator. 0.0248. What's your formula? We multiply it by 2, okay? And this is the value I am going to add or take away from the current market value, okay? So current market value was what? Let me go back here again. It was let's be more precise. So 110.623, is it? 110.623, let's just put it down. So 110.623. So 1.6. So if I make a buy trade, hoping that price will go up, I make profits when the price goes up. But what if the price goes down? I need to set up my stop loss. So I use my ATR indicator. Where is my calculator back again? So 0.0496. And let's make another calculator. Let's take out another calculator. So what was the market price that I took the price at? So it was 110,623. Yep, 623. So in order to make, so the stop loss would be this minus this, because the stop loss will be my next, the lower level, you know, below my next support. So minus 0.0496 respectively. So it's 110,5734. So 110,5734 should be my stop loss. Simple as that. So that would be 57. I don't know. Let's take a look. 110,5734. 57. Okay, yeah, 5734. Okay, so it's around this area. So this area to this area. And as we can see, that this area is it's interesting, look, it's just a little bit below our support, right? Just because, look, our support is like this level, 110,577, right? But according to the ATR indicator, our stop loss should be a little bit below that, where 5734. 573, so I cannot see the 4. So here we go. This is how beautiful the ATR indicator is. It's really simple indicator, but as you can see, it will take you, it will take you some time to actually master it. But as you can see, it will just specify you the best levels for your stop loss level. I mean, and this is just so ideal. Why it's ideal? Why it's perfect? Why it's great? Because if you didn't see my previous videos from a couple of weeks ago, where I showed you what should be your your take profit levels and your stop loss levels, I was explaining you that your stop loss level should be below your support or a little bit above your resistance, depending on your buy or sell orders. But this one, ATR indicator, and this formula actually specifies you exactly where your stop loss level should be at. You know how great, this is really great. And I like the way that it's if you do this calculation, that you can specify these levels accordingly. And yeah, and what so here we go. So what was my level here? So this is the stop loss level right here, which was set at 110,572 in this one. But it always depends on your market value, and the market value at which you trade. So I didn't place my trade at 5 past 12. I placed this trade at 8 past 12. So there are a couple of pips difference, because this is, 5-minute chart. But I hope you got the idea, guys. Okay, I hope you got the idea. So ATR indicator, this is how I use ATR indicator for setting up my stop losses. Again, remember that there is no right way and there is no wrong way to use this indicator, as well as many other indicators out there that are available. So make sure, guys, that you don't have this mindset that tells you, all right, this is how I should use that indicator, this is the right way, this is the wrong way. No, guys. It depends what you trade. It depends what's your trading style. My trading style, I am a pattern trader. I'm a short-term pattern day trader. Okay, so I trade according to what are the patterns and according to the market conditions at that particular moment when I trade. Some traders are long-term traders, placing extremely long-term trade. So there is no right and there is no wrong way. There are many different systems that you can develop, like this system that we just developed, which will enable you to calculate those levels, which will help you to place these trades more consistently. It's about determination and consistency. You have to be determined. You have to always make sure that you are consistent. When you use your trading systems. What means trading system? Means trading strategy. Okay, so other people are mixing. What means trading system? Is there like an application that makes trades? No, there is no application that makes trades for us. We are doing all these guys ourselves. And and as I proved you many times before, and last week's as well as this week, that you don't need to know, you don't need to be a professional guru, in order to be successful long term. No, all you need to have is appropriate trading strategy in place, that you mastered it, you know, with couple of indicators, that's enough, you know, a couple of indicators, that's enough, you know, and couple of trades per day, that's enough. That's enough for you, you know, to leave your 9 to 5 job if you hate it. That's enough for you to provide for for your family, you know. That will be enough for you to, you know, to pay the bills, you know. It's about quality over quantity. And as I proved you guys before, that you need only a couple of good quality trades per day in order to make a living, you know. But when it comes to more specific trades, this is the really great way to master these trading positions. Yes, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any problems, please email me. I will be happy to help you. I answer my emails every night before dinner time. You know, after my gym. Yes, I go to gym. So after gym, I answer my emails, and then I just eat dinner, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you are if you're interested in learning more strategies, join my academy. Yeah, guys, and see you guys again next time. Bye.